Fire on the mountain, run, boys, run. Devil's in the house of the rising sun. Chicken in the bread pan, picking out dough. Granny did the dog bite, no child, no. Hey there, it's Ruth Roland, the Fiddle Geek, with the fills from Devil Went Down to Georgia by the Charlie Daniels Band. If this interests you, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more classic fiddle parts. I guess, not solos. These are just the fills. Although, this is the solo where Johnny shows the devil that he's better than the devil at fiddling. If you don't already know, the fiddle outro, the coda to this song, go learn it and then come back. It's going to be much easier. I'm going to refer to it unless you're very comfortable learning by ear, in which case, no problem. This isn't going to be a problem for you. I'll turn so you can see my fingers. How's that? So Fire on the Mountain. This is the first fill. That's exactly the same fingers as in the coda, but just a different finger spacing. Okay, and then we go straight to open A. Pretty easy, huh? Let's do it again. Ready, go. So the first note is a little bit longer. It comes in on the fourth beat of the previous bar. All right. So the next one, the Devil's in the House of the Rising Sun. These are all references to fiddle tunes in case you're out of the loop. So it's just like a C major scale. And then pretty much down the scale, we skip the first finger on the way down. Okay, so I'll do the whole thing. And with me, ready, go. Okay, and then the chicken in the bread pan. It starts on a third finger, jumps down to the first finger, and then goes straight down the scale. Okay, it's a little bit interesting finger spacing. It's ready, go. And then Granny does your dog bite. This is double shuffle. I slur the first two notes. Okay, and then after that, like I said, it's double shuffle, hokum bowing. I'll do that straight facing you so you can see which string I'm on. So the notes are C on the A string, second finger low 2 on the A, and then E on the D string, D, E, first finger. Ready and play. And then, okay, then we go into the next part, which I'm not teaching because it's too much for one video. If you want to play it along with me, skip back to the beginning and do it again. You can even decrease the speed for a lot of fun. Take it down to 50% and the vocal part will be enchanting. There's a link below to the entire Devil Went Down to Georgia playlist. I've taught more than half of the piece right now. Hold tight and I'll get to the rest of it before long. I'll see you next time.